Good, good, I didn't even do that with me. And you just went, Dylan, you dropped a piece of gum on the floor.
That's yours.
What? The reindeer was chewing them.
Good. Reindeer, good. Reindeer, good.
Not in mine. A deer is gonna commit suicide.
Oh God.
This deer commits suicide.
Don't. You just broke it. You just broke it.
Hey, we go to my car and get
I dare you to test drive.
Hey, don't let the keys in there. Get Luke's blue iPod, okay, and your clothes in there.
I'll go with you.
Okay.
Brandon, come on.
Go in Chloe's car. Hey! Did you see those kids riding down? I was like, hey! Freaking clothes aren't in here. She got crack. Crap, I just lost the keys. Oh crap. I just lost the freaking keys. Wait, no I didn't. No I didn't. Move! Why are you looking in her car?
I'm sharing with the kid. Oh, that's a nice job. You left them in there. And I don't even care. I'm straight. Let me hold the iPad. Let me hold the iPad. It's not a blue iPad. That's a
Okay, you guys go.
Go.
Say bye-bye!